Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from Rainbet, and to do so it's very simple. First open the Rainbet website and then log into your account. After that, here you will find all your earnings here. I just created this account so I have $0, but you will find all your money here, and then go to this wallet button in green, you can't miss it, and then go to withdraw. After that, select your currency. So they only deal with Bitcoin, so just they only deal with cryptocurrency as of right now, as of the time that I'm filming the video. So just select your currency. Let's say, for example, Bitcoin. This is the most common one. And then you will find the withdraw address. So where do we find this withdraw address? The address where they will send you your money. So here you will have to use another app, either Binance or Coinbase. These are the most popular ones. So in this example, I will go with Binance. You'll just need a Bitcoin address, by the way, but this is the most user-friendly app, okay? So in this Binance website, let's go to the account. Here you will have to create an account and set it up correctly so you can use the platform. Here, let's go to deposit, and you will find this panel here that opened. Go to deposit crypto, and then here you will find this page. Okay, let's just select a coin, select Bitcoin as you have chosen here, and then for the network, Bitcoin, and here you will find this address. So this is what's important to us. So let's just copy this address and go to withdraw address, paste it here, and then for the fees, just I'll make it standard. In the priority fees, they will have a lot of fees, a lot of gas fees. I think that's what it's called. They will take more money from you, and that it will arrive more fast. Okay. Now here, check this amount. So here, just type whatever amount you want, like $40 or so, whatever amount you have on your wallet, and then click on withdraw, and you will be good. After that, just go back to Binance, and then go here to the main section. You can go to the wallet, go to overview, and you will find in the estimated balance the money that you have just withdrawn. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.